All right, let's do number 6. Everybody have your worksheet out? All right, now we're doing problems that have square roots in them. And we did this Wednesday. How do we get rid of the square root? What do we have to do? Square both sides. So look how easy this one is. The square takes care of the square root. You got 6x plus 10 equals 64. All right, y'all solve it from there. Let's get an answer. Shouldn't need but just a second. Yeah, these first 4, 6, 7, 8, 9 are all going to be really easy. 10 is the longer one. You said it was 5. Yeah, I'm interested to see how you got that. But you can watch me do my way too and see if there's anything you can show. All right, so we move over plus 10. That's going to be minus 10. I got 6x equals 54, so x equals 9. So guys, that's pretty quick, pretty easy. All right, so test is next week on Wednesday. Half of your test is going to be these type problems. So even if you messed up on the quiz yesterday, and hey, if you didn't finish the quiz yesterday, I'll give y'all time at the end of class today to finish it. Okay? We'll have time. We'll try to go a little bit easier today. I got some stuff I need to do. Let's go to 7. All right, 7, I got cubed root of 8x minus 1 minus 5 equals 2. All right, somebody give me the first step. Well, we got to get the cube root symbol first, Caleb, by itself before I can cube everything. So I'm going to move minus 5 over and make it a plus 5. Let's do that. All right, now Caleb's right. Now we cube both sides. So I cube this and cube this. So I got 8x minus 1. Caleb, you got your calculator? Do 7 cubed for me. I don't know what that is. Probably a pretty big number. 343. All right, you guys finish it from there and get an answer. Let's do 8. 18 minus x plus 8 equals 0. All right, what I say on the last problem, you have got to get the root symbol. The square root symbol has got to be by itself before you can square both sides. There's like 3 different ways you can do this. Anybody got a suggestion? You want to subtract 18 over. All right, let's do that. Let's move 18 over here and make it a minus 18. All right, fine, let's do that. First step. All right, now, before I can square both sides, I got to get rid of this negative 1. How do we do that? Divide both sides by negative 1. And that's what kids forget every year on the test. So I've showed y'all now, so y'all shouldn't forget it. So I got x plus 8 equals 18. All right, y'all go from there. Square both sides now. Get an answer. All right, what's 18 squared? 324. So take plus 8 over, that's a minus 8. Somebody do that for me. 316. Okay. All right, let's keep going. Number 9 is another easy one. Square root negative 4x plus 18. Equals negative 7x plus 81. All right, so as long as you have the square roots, one on the left side, one on the right side, you can go ahead and square. And look, the square cancels out the square root on both sides, so I just bring down negative 4x plus 18 equals negative 7x plus 81. All right, y'all solve it and get an answer now. Is this one going to be a fraction? All right, now comes the long one. Remember, you're going to have one of these on the test. Number 10. We're going to do 2 of these today. All right, let's see what y'all can remember from last week. Everybody needs to watch this one. What's the rule about having two square root signs in a problem? One's got to be on the left side, one's got to be on the right side. So is this one already set up? Yeah, okay. So we're going to square both sides. I square this. Whoops, I messed up. My bad. Get rid of that. All right. There. I square this side and I square this side. Right? To kind of group the -1 to let you know that -1's got to be grouped in with it. So the square cancels out the square root on the right side. You can just bring down a minus 1 over there. Will the square cancel out the square root on the left side? No, why not? The -1 messes everything up. So what do we have to do? We got to write that twice, and you got to FOIL it out. All right, so I'm going to let y'all write that down, then we'll FOIL it out together. Guys, if y'all miss any days or if you're missing any work, I'm doing a real good job putting stuff on Google Classroom. You can pretty much just go in there and copy it and turn it in. If it's something you got to turn in. We're going to have probably 20 minutes at the end of class today if y'all do makeup work. All right, let's FOIL this out. Y'all ready? What do I get when I times these two? They're both square roots and they both have the same thing under them. What do I bring down? You just bring down a plus 4. That cancels out the square root sign when you do that. I don't think so. All right, when I times these two, look, is there a number in front of the square root? No. So you just multiply -1 times 1. You get -1 square root of a plus 4. All right, look, same thing here. I got another -1 and a plus 4. And then -1 times -1 is +1. All right, so now let's add up like terms. All right, y'all look at this one. What's going to happen with this A and this A? I got to get all my A's on one side. So what's going to happen when I move this A over here? They're going to subtract out. Good, they're gone. All right, so what else? I got 4 plus 1. I can add that up. That's 5 minus 2. All right, check that. Make sure y'all understand where I got that from. Everybody see where I got the 5 from? Does everybody see where I got this from? -2. Added up -1 and -1 and gave me -2. All right, so now let's do your like terms. I'm going to move +5 over here, make it a -5. So that's going to give me -2. A plus 4 equals -6. All right, does anybody remember the next step? Got it. When I was there. Better late than never, right? All right, so y'all get to this point in the problem, we divide both sides by -2. I got root a plus 4 equals 3. All right, how about the last step now? Yeah, this is where you square both sides. So I got a plus 4 equals 9. Move it over, so the answer is 5. So yeah, these are really long problems. You're going to have just one of these on the test. All right, y'all can save that worksheet in your folder. Y'all should have front and back completed on this one now.